If you want to track your Temu orders, then this is how you're gonna do it. So the steps are very easy and super fast to follow. Then let's get started. First thing, you're gonna make sure that your Temu app is already opened. And then from here, you're just going to head over to the bottom toolbar and you can see this U button right here, or the U icon. You're just going to have to click on that. And then once you're on the U page, you're going to see this Your Orders. You're going to tap on Your Orders. You're going to give that a click. And then from here, you can see all of the orders that you have. Now, when you find your order right here, it already has the specific tracking that you can see. So wherever your order is, you can already find that from there. But if you don't have any orders right here, or if you don't see any tracking of your order, you can just click on this self-service to find order so that you can find your order. So from here, you have ways to find your order. You can try to enter your phone number right here. You can also try to enter your email address, your order ID if you have it, payment information. You can also try to switch countries to view orders in the US if your order is from overseas. And that's it. That is how you can find or locate your order from Temu. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, you can just drop them in the comments below. And if you need more tutorials, you can try to search for them in our channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.